Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Calvin Click. I'm always here to bring about unlimited arbitrage opportunities and other crypto related information and stuff. I'm a crypto researcher and very much person who has much interest in the crypto industry. Okay, today I want to show you how you can do a cross-country arbitrage. This is very profitable, and if you can literally follow these steps, you can be a profitable trader of all time. Okay, before we get started, I will tell everyone who is watching this video, please subscribe to this YouTube channel so we can go together and be able to see this information and such videos every now and then. So I request you subscribe and tap the notification button so you can be able to be notified when I release a video. Like and share and comment. Okay, we are getting started right now. So what you need an application called AFRIEX. AFRIEX is a sending money app. As you can see, Keeper Cash, you can see Eversend, but today we're using AFRIEX because it has a good rate. You understand? I'll show you why I'm saying it has a good rate. Understand? So let's continue. So today in this cross-country arbitrage, you need a person, you need two people. One person should be in Nigeria, another person should be in Uganda. You understand? This is between Nigeria and Uganda. So when you open your AFRIEX, this is wallet, this is a new account. So this is what I'm trying to show you. So when you go to BINANCE, you see here on BINANCE, when you go to BINANCE, I'm going to use an example of $100. If you go to BINANCE and change the currency to I put it to NGN, which is Nigeria. You see it here, NGN, Nigeria here. So it's not always there, but you can search it. You understand? So for mine, it's already there. So you see, so the current buying price, these prices always change at a time. So we're going to be using 7. So you see, the price of $1 is 754.25. So it means purchasing $100, you need 75425. Let's go to our calculator. Sorry about that. Let's go to our calculator. So it says that you need 75425. That is if you want to purchase, 74. If you want to purchase $100, you need that money. So it means that a person in Nigeria will have to send us this amount of money. Your friend or your family or anybody you can trust should have to send you this amount of money, so that you can do what? This amount of money, so that you can start the trading. So I want to show you. So when you come here to AFRIEX, so you're going to be using the application which is called AFRIEX Standard Money. So you come to AFRIEX and change here and put 75425. You see the amount of money you'll be receiving. So it means that a person in Nigeria, if you send this amount of money, you're going to be receiving 410,975 in UGAX. You understand? In UGAX. Okay, so I've copied that amount. When you copy that, it means this amount. Then you come here to a calculator. So in your calculator, remember he has sent you this, but you are getting 410.95.41. You understand? That's the amount of money the person in Uganda is getting. So when you come to BINANCE, you have copied that amount. When you come to BINANCE and come to UGAX, now you have to change it to UGAX. You understand? Because now the person is in Uganda. So the person in Uganda is going to use that amount of money to buy. So when you refresh, you see that the current amount is this, and this person has a 100% completion. You can see it here. So although it's not verified, but he's a good trader, he has performed 118 trades. You understand? So you can trust this person. So what you do, the payment method is you can see here, it is Airtel Money and Keeper Cash. So you come and buy from this person. You're going to buy, but okay, by that, then by fiat, you're going to paste the amount you have copied that side. But this person has a minimum of okay, let's not use this one. He has a minimum of 530, so that's a higher amount. So let's look for a person who can allow our amount of money. So this person here, he has a 96 completion rate and 207 trades, so you can also trust this person. So you click on buy, and by fiat you enter the amount, which is copy and paste. So you see that now you're getting 109 You understand? 109.83 USDT. That's a big profit. So you are making $9 on every profit, because so when you buy, you'll be able to get this 109 USDT profit. Remember, the amount we have used in Nigeria is able to purchase $100 only. So when you put in Uganda, you can be able to convert, you can be able to buy 109 USDT. So it means that now the next thing is to send this 109 USDT back to Nigeria, so that the person can get profit on that money. You understand? So this is how the arbitrage works. So sending that 109 USDT, it's basically you'll be using Binance Pay. As you all know where Binance Pay is basically here. You'll have to look through this and be able to pay money. You understand? So the person in Nigeria should be having a Binance Nigeria, should be having a verified Binance, so you can use Binance Pay to send 109 USDT to him. So you understand? So before even we go there, let me show you something. So as you can scroll, so you'll be able to let me show you something, something small. So it means that a person in Nigeria, under P2P trading here, it means a person in Nigeria, NGN, a person in Nigeria, let me refresh a bit. So when you want to sell, India, so when you want to sell that amount, you come to selling here. So it is 109.83. so you see the amount of money they'll be getting 8. It's here, that amount there. It be 8 no, first wait, by crypto, yeah. So now you see the profit is already there. So let's put in our calculator. Sorry. So it will be 534 point what? 0.25. You understand? 0.25, then less. So you'll be making 7,109.25 naira in profit. So if you have a person in Nigeria and in Uganda, you can basically do this, and you can share the profit. If it's 7,109, you can take like 35. It's enough. You got 3,500. You understand? Eh? So it's basically you're making 7,000. No, like you're making 7,109.25 naira. But you may not make this amount of money, but still be in profit, because on AFRIEX they will have to take like a small fee, which is not bigger, because when you're sending, when you get the money, so you'll have to withdraw that money by cashing it out on your mobile money or bank and stuff. You understand? So they will charge a fee, but I cannot show you because I have UGANDA right now. But they always charge a fee. You understand? So that's the cross-country arbitrage. So you're making this profit. So you can, even if you have a person there, you can just share the profit. And the more let's say you make like 10 trades a day, or you make like 20 or 15, you'll be making 638.75 naira. That's a lot of money in a day. So basically you can do this, you can try it out. Okay, so the reason why I'm not using Eversend, you can see that. The reason why I'm not using Eversend, you can see that if you put that amount of money, 25, you'll be getting 372 in UGX, which is small amount of money. So that's why we are preferring using AFRIEX to get paid in a good rate. I hope you understand that. If you're watching, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment on this video. Thank you, and I'll be posting more videos like this.